Here's some help with tonight's homework. Unit 5, Lesson 2, Independent Practice. We're going to do problems 4 and 5. It says, in each question below, the polygons are similar. Find the missing measures. We're trying to find a missing angle and a missing side length. Well, we know that corresponding angles of similar figures are congruent, so we have these two sides, these two angles corresponding, these two angles corresponding. So this angle corresponds to this angle and they're congruent, so x equals 60 degrees. Also, note that we really didn't even need to know that. We know that all the angles of a triangle equal 180 degrees. So 90 plus 30 plus x must equal 180 degrees. We haven't gone over that yet this year, but you did that last year. So 120 plus x equals 180, so x must equal 60. Okay, now we need to find this missing side length. We know that the triangles are similar and they're oriented in the same direction because we see the angles are matching up, so it's pretty easy to see the corresponding sides. 2 to 6 equals 4 to y. 4 to y. So bat and ball, 6 times 4 divided by 2. There's a lot of ways to get this answer actually. 24 divided by 2 is 12, so 12 centimeters. Y equals 12 centimeters. I didn't really need to use cross products. I could just see that we're getting from 2 to 4 by multiplying by 2, so 6 times 2 is 12. You can see the scale factor is 3 going from the small triangle to the larger triangle, so 4 times 3 is 12. There's lots of ways to solve this problem. Okay, problem 5. A little trickier. First thing, we're trying to find this, well, first of all, we can see that the shapes are oriented in the same direction, so we put these angles in here. We know that the quadrilaterals are similar, so corresponding angles are congruent. Now we just need to find out what is this angle x. We need to remember how many degrees are in a quadrilateral. Well, anytime you're trying to figure out how many degrees are in any polygon, just think about how many triangles could you cut it into. So if I cut this quadrilateral into 2 triangles, we know each triangle is 180 degrees and there are 2 triangles, so every quadrilateral, the angles add up to 360 degrees. So 360 equals 93 plus 121 plus 72 plus x. So let's add up these 3 angles, 93, 121, 72, 6, 18, 286. So 360 equals 286 plus x. We can undo this addition with the inverse operation, subtract. Subtract 286 from both sides. This is 0, so we have x equals 74. X equals 74 degrees. Now, I always want to check my answer, so add 74 to this. Make sure that equals 360. 6 carry the 1. It does, 360 degrees. Okay, we're good. Now we need to find this missing side length, y. So let's do it this way. 6 to 21. Let me simplify that to make it easier on us. Divide by 3. That equals 2 to 7. 2 to 7 equals y to 7. Well, y must equal 2 then. Y equals 2 centimeters. Okay, hope that helps with the homework. I'll see you in the morning.